Hi friends! We'll be looking at Phonics challenge. Alright, at my left hand side is the real word, while at my right hand side is the silly words. So we will sound and blend and know the ones that are real words and silly words. Alright. Please, if you're not subscribed to this video, kindly do so. Turn on all post notifications so that you'll be the first to notify about my videos when I post. Kindly like, share and subscribe. It will go into today's Phonics challenge. Bat, real. Silly. Real. Man, real. Silly. Pig, real. Silly. Hen, real. Silly. Jam, silly. These are the real words and silly word challenge. This is to help kids to be able to blend words and know the sounds and know the ones that have meaning. We have come to the end of today's video. Kindly give me a thumbs up, give me a like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.